so now we are going to do a Volvo FH version 4 clutch calibration and gearbox calibration, and also brake wear check. So we'll start with the brake wear check first. So we'll go to truck, Volvo, our FH version 4. I've taken off all the selections and I'll just tick our brake section now, so we know it's electronic braking system on this particular truck. So we'll click here, and then we'll go our connection here. Okay, so now we're going to do a brake wear check. So in our system checks, brake wearing. So on here it will tell us 100% new sensor, has a 0.5 voltage, and also a worn sensor is over 4.5 volts. So we'll go next. Okay, it would tell us some safety stuff here. So park brake not applied, and battery voltage should be higher than 20 volts. Okay, so we'll go our brake wearing, our tick. Now this will give us our brake percentages here, so we are all good here. Now we're only a 6x4, so we don't have our 4th axle, so they won't be configured. Okay, now we can check our brake wearing sensor signal. So in here, this will give us the information about our voltages as we were talking before. So new to old. So we will go tick, and this is giving you your sensor voltages now. Now we'll do our brake wear sensor power supply to the actual sensor. This will give us our power supply from the ECU to the sensor. So now you know that the sensor is all powered up correctly. Alright, so what we'll do now, we will go disconnect out of this ECU, and we will select now our gearbox to do our clutch calibration. So we've got gearbox here now, transmission control unit, and connect. Okay, so our system check now, we'll go to clutch. We want to do a clutch wear check. So clutch wearing, it will talk to you about your parameters. So the parameter X1 shows the initial stroke for a new clutch. The X2 shows the clutch travel last value. The parameter Y is the difference between your X1 and your X2 to give you your clutch wearing. If X2 value is below the limit to perform the maintenance, the clutch may be worn out. So if our value is below our X2, it means that the clutch has to be replaced. So next. Okay, so it will tell us we need to be, our park brake is on, gear shift in neutral, engine is off, key is on, air supply is up there, and our battery is fully charged. So now we can go next. And then we have our values there. Alright, so now we can do a calibration. Now with a calibration, it's got installed in the vehicle or not installed in the vehicle. So this particular one is installed in the vehicle, and we'll go clutch calibration. Now they'll talk to you either with the existing clutch that was in there, or you've put a new clutch in there, and if you put a new clutch, you will go adjustment with clutch disc replacement. This particular one, it would be without clutch disc replacement. We'll accept this. Now this action must be performed after replacing the following: transmission control unit, reprogramming with the old control unit, clutch gearbox, or the clutch cylinder. Do not perform this action if only the clutch plate has been replaced. Alright, so now we'll do the clutch calibration. They'll talk to you about park brake on, gear shifting neutral, key on, engine off, and our air supply has to be good with battery charged. We've got green ticks, so if you had a red bell where the green tick is, it means the criteria is not met and you won't be able to go to the next step. So you've got to make sure you've got green ticks first. Now, I've just got to start the truck now. Now, truck has to be at idle, which we have started, so we're now at idle. Alright, now it's telling us to switch the ignition off. I'm back onto accessories. Now we'll start. Now this will give you all your clutch stroke wears and stuff now from the gearbox calibration. Now into your phase 2, the gearbox side, give you all your stroke lengths for your cylinders, the rest of your cylinder strokes. Now the gearbox calibration side, and that would be that for there. Now it will save the graph, we will say yes. Alright, so from here we will close the job down and save a job card, and I'll show you how to find your job card. Alright, so now we're back out of the ECU, we'll go close the system down like we want to finish the job. The job card has been, do you wish to save it? We will say yes. In here you will type in all your vehicle details. So for this one I will just do test. It's been saved. So now we'll reopen gel test so we can go back to that history job card and you can find all your results. Okay, so to find your job card now, once gel test is open, we'll go GRP. We'll go reports. Now the last job you saved will always go to the top, so that would be this one here. So we'll double click on the job card. That will now give you your job card, which is all date and time stamped with your VIN number. It will also have the number plate and stuff in there if you saved it, where I just typed in test. Literally on here it will show you when you scanned in to the vehicle, show you your brake percentages, so give you all your percentages and our voltages. Then we'll go into our transmission, give you all your results. Now these job cards you can print them off to your printer, or you can export them to Excel and file them elsewhere. So from here we'll just go back. Now once you've finished you've looked at all your results on the job card, at the end when you save it you do also have the ability to type in all notes and comments in your job cards. If you would like to amend the job card, you can amend the job cards as well. Out the front here, show more options. We can edit and modify that job card, so you can go back into that job and save other information if you wish to.